How to delete all Instagram data. In order to successfully do that, head over right here to your settings. So this actually differs depending on the device that you have, but you just need to look for the apps option right here on your settings. So from in there, you should be able to see in here some app settings as well as default apps right here. So just head over right here to the apps, and then from the apps, you should be able to see an app list, just locating here Instagram. Here's Instagram right here. I have 755 megabytes. Click on the storage right here. Click on this clear cache as well as the clear data option right here. Another thing that you can do is you can also delete the Instagram data internally. So let's head over right here to our Instagram. Click on these three lines. And then from in there, click on this account center. Once you have clicked on this account center, you can see your personal details as well as your account information already summed up. You just need to head over and then delete those data by clicking on this your information and permission. And you can see all of this information right here. You can access your information in here and then delete it through the use of Facebook. So that's how you delete all Instagram data. Hope we helped.